After 675 print hours, I finally got Hotend error on my Anycubic Kobra S1, and this is how my Hotend looks after around 14 kilograms of filament, nearly 700 hours. It is aftermarket Hotend. I changed it literally on day one. I didn't want to wait any minute because my experience is that usually aftermarket things for 3D printers are usually better than stock. And I wasn't an early adopter of Anycubic Kobra S1, so this was already a proven better upgrade. So if you didn't do it, you should do it. It is reliable, it hits a lot faster, and it gives a better print quality. You're gonna need to trust me on that because I was doing some tests. I don't have proof to show you. If you stick around, you're gonna probably see that. And check out the old one. It really started burning. I'm super happy because the printer detected the problem and stopped the print. This was fire 100% in the beginning. Whoops, that was 100% true. Good things in bad situations. I'm thankful for that. Hit that subscribe button at the bottom, and until next time, hit that subscribe button and let me know down in the comments your experience with Anycubic Kobra S1.